director product and feature in Forbes. I've helped 1,000 people land their dream PM job offer in fan companies and unicorn startup, and continue to get promoted as a product leader. If you're interested in product management course, and go to darknancy.com to learn more. Today, we're doing free resume review. We have 6 people on Zoom, including myself, with me to do live resume review. And we also have my team already put all the resume together in a folder. So let me go to back and pull up all the resumes. And at the same time, let me confirm if I'm live or not, LinkedIn and YouTube. So comment on the chat if you can see me live on LinkedIn and YouTube. Just say hi, what's your name, and when was the last time you went to the gym? Okay, comment on the chat. What's your name? Where you from? When was the last time you went to the gym? And I love to see who else is there. And let me also go to LinkedIn and YouTube and verify we are live or not. Cool. I think we're live on YouTube. Let me see on LinkedIn. Sometimes there's some tech issues. I'm not able to see comment. That's why I need to go see on the specific portals. Awesome. Okay, great. So looks like we are live on both YouTube and LinkedIn. I can see some of the comments. Nitish, how are you? I see your comment, and let me see who else is there. Atit, how are you? I saw that on LinkedIn. Okay, so on YouTube, I see people putting heart. Didn't say hi yet, but looks like I'm live on all the platforms. Awesome. Okay, great. So let's get started. And we have 7 people in my Zoom room right now, including myself. Okay, so without further ado, let me go through today's agenda so you know how to get free resume review. Let me share you guys my slide deck and get started. Welcome, welcome everybody who just joined me. This is Dr. Nancy. We're doing free resume review. Okay. Let me share my screen. All right, so today we do weekly free resume review, and today we're going to review 7 people's resume together. So lots going on, and I also know there's like lots of company hiring very aggressively, and lots of activity. So everybody, so get ready and for your upcoming interviews. And also love to share any inspiring stories. And this is one of our alumni, Brian. And some of you guys may already know him inside the PM Accelerator. He's already an APM Mastercard. He just got a bachelor's degree in business, and himself never had a PM experience and never had those technical background either. But now he's an APM at Mastercard. Okay, very exciting for him. Now, let me show you regarding how he did it and conquer his challenges. Number one thing, even if you don't have technical background, but you can learn system design, also learn how to speak the language of someone who is technical. For example, asking the right type of questions. When your engineering team didn't design the system architecture diagram based on your requirement, and you can ask those technical questions. That's where Brian learned the systems engineering methodology inside our program to ask the right questions. And then, of course, when he didn't have PM experience, the number one thing is immediately start your product portfolio. And using product portfolio, you're able to directly work for a startup, volunteer for startups, or directly attend hackathon, and many different methodology for you to gain some hands-on experience. So the best way for him to package his past experience. Okay, that's why he became an APM. And also that's why I highly recommend everybody create a product portfolio. This is the best way to demonstrate you're better than other people, because everybody is saying I'm better, so how to prove it? All right, so that's why you have your product portfolio. Anybody who is having your upcoming interviews, and go to this website, drlindsay.com 50 fan, to download your interview questions database. So using this, you can definitely get ready and prepare. Okay. And now, even if you're not interviewing with fan companies, it doesn't matter, because all companies use the same kind of interview questions database, including OpenAI. Yes, you're right. OpenAI use very similar interview questions at fan company, also including chocolate companies such as Hershey's. Okay. Chocolate company doing the same product design, product case interview as well. So go to this website. And you're able to have your upcoming interviews full prepared. Let me put this link in the channel. Hold on, let me confirm. Okay, let me put it on. I'm also put on Zoom. I think some of you guys may or may not see it. Hold on, I have 7 people on Zoom right now, including myself. Hold on, where is the Zoom chat? Oh, I have a hard time to go to Zoom chat. One sec. Let me, Zoom chat. How to go Zoom chat? Yeah. Okay, cool. Okay, put on Zoom as well. Okay, so now let's continue. So use this for your upcoming interview. And now also show you how to get free resume review and also get the Zoom link. Okay, right here. So when you go to Zoom link and make sure right here, right? So how to get Zoom link to do a free resume review live with me is to email my team at info@pmaccelerator.io. Your email title should be including the following keywords: free resume review and the date of attending masterclass. Let's say you can say free resume review, May 14th masterclass, something like this. That's everything we need to look for because to prioritize people who already attending masterclass. Everybody wants to join my Zoom link. Now we already have 7 people with me right now. So we only have limited capacity. So therefore, whoever attended masterclass, you get priorities. Okay, I just want to be fair with other people who already took effort. Get ready for their upcoming interviews. And now, what is a masterclass? And if you go to my website, darkness.com/masterclass, able to see how we teach people the methodology to create a masterclass and 2 different kind of product portfolio examples, and also resume template and examples where you're able to have your resume ready and use the product portfolio to immediately influence and impact the hiring managers. So make sure they give you the interview opportunities and use those to nail your job offer as well. Okay, so once you go to this website, darkness.com/masterclass, you can directly click the time and join us. Okay, and also the reason we give people priorities was that after masterclass, you have product portfolio ready. Once you have it ready, you have a resume ready. After you do this live resume review, you can immediately go out for job interviews. Okay, so if anybody interested in our coaching program, inside the PM Accelerator, stay until the end of masterclass. I'm happy to tell you more regarding our coaching program. But the first hour of masterclass is completely free for you to learn 2 different product portfolios you can build with real life examples and 5 different tools you can directly jump in to your to create your own product portfolio. Okay, cool. Now let me do this. Let me bring up people's resume. And yes, here's the email. You can email right here. My team's email info@pmaccelerator.io. Okay. So now let me grab the resumes. My team already put everything in a folder for me. One sec. Okay, live folder. Wow, we have a lot. Do I have like more than 10 submissions? Hold on. That's a lot going on. Okay, let me share my screen. Okay, those are pre-submit resume. So of course, people here with Zoom with me, on Zoom with me will get prioritized. Let me see who's here with me. Hold on, let me match the names. Okay. Yeah, Dashen is my students. We can get started first. Let me see all the names. Do I match the names? Let me go through them one by one. Okay, so I need to match it. Safek, I saw your hands up. Did you see your name here?
Yeah, it's just, I guess, yeah, that's it.
Second, this one?
Yes,
Okay, cool.
yes.
Let's go through the sequence. And so the people who mark with the date, the people who mentioned when they assigned attend master class, as I said, we prioritize them. You can see we have 14 submissions. Okay, so let me go through this first. Dashen, and can you unmute yourself? If possible, turn on your camera and tell me about yourself.
Hi, everybody.
Yeah, hello, good to see you again. Tell me about your background.
So For my background, like I've been working product manager related field for 2 years in two different company. One is a startup, that's the most recent one. The other one is the biggest retail store in Canada. So for my job experience, like back in the startup, I'm kind of work as solely to for the product manager to set up the whole app. I kind of set up all the MVPs so for to get our demo product like getting out as soon as possible. Do market research and customer interviews and get a over 1,000 early adopter and build up a community with like 15,000 followers to kind of get interested with our product. And besides that, it's more like a communication, like do a lot of communication with all the venture capitals, like maintain a relationship, and also like setting up some metrics to analyze our customers and like receiving their feedbacks about how they like the app, like what's the feature they would like to expect it, and also like getting that feedback as soon as possible to get back to our development team and also to our marketing team and what's the best campaign for us right now to do with the current budget we have in order to achieve as many as like new clients as fast as we could. And the other job with the it's kind of like a project manager because I was running a project that it's a logistic project. We built a portal. I work with three different team and we built a portal that kind of speed up the whole process for or tracking the trucks and all the deliveries. It eventually speed up the process by like 25% and saving the company like $2 million a year. And I kind of my position over there was like first like is to set up and design the whole process because I kind of proposed the idea. The hire manager gave me the request, but I proposed the idea and how the system and the portal should be, every each interaction from the users, and also like getting feedbacks from both end of the users, like from the internal corporate side and also all our 3,000 vendors. Also provide trainings and providing stuff like all the SOP for each steps and provide a training, like have them get on board with the portal as soon as possible and have the truck drivers and everybody know how to properly use the portal and systems keep all the information updated. Which eventually like I can pinpoint like each truckload and whenever it goes, like if there's a empty truck, like when it's returned, as how to design and selecting the route. And
Eventually,
yeah, sorry.
30 seconds elevator pitch. Too long, but I know you have done all the PM work. So let me review your resume now. Is this right? Yes. Am I sharing the right screen? Okay, great, cool. Let me do this right here. Let me see your resume. You have lots of related experience. That's great.
Yeah, it's just like when I apply your format, it seems like the resume get too long.
Let me see. Let me see. You have 1.5. Let me see.
Yeah.
Have your resume been reviewed by our resume writers yet?
No, I probably like joined like back like 2 weeks ago. So like everything
I see. Let me have a high level overview. Okay, let me see. The content is good.
Yeah, I have used your module 1 kind of like the keywords and templates and reference like from your like resume templates.
Yeah. The content is good. You work with my resume writer, write it slightly better. Some of those maybe you can mention the type of product, for example, design go-to-market strategy of
Something. Okay.
I don't know, like of what? Of whatever logistic product, of whatever e-commerce product, of ABC different product, right? And same thing as managed product roadmap of what product. So the speed, the type of product wasn't very obvious. Is this your blockchain leaders? Is it blockchain product, right? So it's confusing what product you work on.
It's a Web3.
It's Web3 product, and then just of Web3 product, right? You can describe. No, it's a cognitive feedback system. This is not achievement. This is just to go beyond responsibilities. Okay. And yeah, be specific regarding the type of product. Doesn't have to be the specific one, the industry you're in, right? So yeah, like a Web3 is very obvious, the Web3 product. Um, why does no type? Product manager spelled out the keywords. Okay. So project is a project. Okay. Work with resume writer to have a more relevant title based on your experience. Let me take a look first. Da, da, da. Ah, some of these need to be changed. Okay, let me show you how to change it. Maintain continuous the supply. Da, 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 da. You can describe, manage a team of stakeholders of a cross-functional team of stakeholders of 20 suppliers, internal team. Da, da, da. This is called cross-functional team stakeholder management. So rewrite this, right? And decision protocol data analysis. This should be rewritten in a way that describes the product success metrics and KPI. Create as like a collected or defined a product success metrics and KPI for strategy decision making. Da, 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 you know, make sense to you? So these to be rewritten in the PM style I was looking for. Supply and same thing, the cross-functional management concept. A team from concept to develop. Okay, launch a product from 0 to 1, including da 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 da. All of this. I rewrite your sentence structure. Let me see this. Same thing. Work with my resume writer, come up with a title that's match what you did. Streamline the tag.
But this one, I'm just wondering, like, should I still keep it or just keep it with my two most recent work experience?
No, you can have. You work for 2 years here, right? So you need to keep it so that you don't feel like you have a big career gap.
Okay.
Uh, associate really means nothing. Unless you're consultant, associate means something. But outside of consultant, associate doesn't mean anything. So maybe product analyst and something. So we need to change your title to make it more obvious what you did. Contribute to financial market, other models. Okay. Can you, instead of saying your models, can you be specific saying that created drove product and customer insight by running ABCD model to create product success metrics, da, da, da. So loop back to everything we teach you. Okay, everything. Monitor industry trends, da, 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 like, strategies. Okay. If you can loop this back into market research, conduct market research of ABCD things, and to create, to propose product features on the roadmap as example, right? So everything you did has something to do with why you're doing that. So while we loop back to PM. Okay, if some of those are not relevant, you can loop back. Financial market analysis, maybe, I don't know. Maybe you can delete one of these because it's an old experience that's not much to do with PM anyway, right? And then also in our download, you have the keywords, product management skills, and also technical skills added in your resume as well. So, and 2 pages is fine as long as you have everything we're looking for. Okay, cool. Nice. Okay. Now let me go to next one. Let me match the name. We have Jessica is not here. Who is?
Thank you, Natalie.
No problem. Hold on. Let me see who else here. Let me match the names. Soumya, one sec. Let me go through the ones who attended masterclass first. Let me call up the names. Jessica, you're not here. Sonia, Praksha, not here, right? I didn't match the name. Okay, if it's you, let me know. Okay. And Bimom, I don't think she's here. Okay. So cool. All right. So let's. You're here. Oh, you're here. Perfect. Okay. Help me pronounce your name.
Yeah, it's Abimbola.
Bola? Okay, great, cool.
Yeah, you can just call me Bola, yes.
Okay, great. Can you turn on your camera and introduce yourself if possible?
Yes. My name is Abimbola, and I have 3 years experience working in tech field. Actually, I transitioned into tech after I studied BSc in business management. So I transitioned into tech. And then I think a few months ago, I came across product management. I've not actually had any working experience with it. However, I had experience working with other my relatives, right, where we actually brought up an app. We made an app, but then I did not know anything about product management. So I actually helped with them as as a software engineer, right? So I was told to be the product owner rather. That was when I came across product management. Yeah.
Very cool. So are you saying that you're currently working as a product owner or you're trying to become a product owner?
I'm trying to become a product manager. I stopped working. It's just a fun project we did. So I actually worked. It was a fun project, right? That we did for fun. So I'm trying to transition now into product management.
I see. But you were product owner before. Okay. So welcome. Let me see your resume. Imagine. Let me give us overview. You should write it longer. Okay, let me summarize the time. Let me see. You have some of those, you need to make it longer, more comprehensive. For example, develop cross-functional team to understand the user needs and pain point requirement, right? So this has our keywords in it. But I want you to make it longer. For example, collaborate with a cross-functional team of 20 engineers, 5 designers, a lot of different things. To understand why you work with collaborate this is 2 different things. Working with cross-functional team to develop the product. Conduct voice customer interviews to understand user needs and product requirements. This should be 2 different sentences. Okay, and you can write it better so that it has the purpose. Okay. Develop clear and detailed user stories, collaborate with engineering team, design team to translate them into viable features. This is perfect. Okay. And I also want you to describe what kind of product did you work on. Is it a fintech product? Is it a payment product? Is it a Web3 product? Any e-commerce product, right? Things like this, right? And if you are working as product owner in the experience you described, your fun project, you can describe software engineer, software developer / product owner as your title because you are performing those kind of functions. You can tell them I actually wearing 2 hats because this is a small company. All right, you can describe that way. Yeah, I think you're just missing the description of your product and adding your product as a keyword is part of this. For example, company knowledge base contributes to technical documentation of crypto product, of like a payment product, of education tech product or something like this. So describe what your product is. And same thing here. You need to write more for what you did before, and your work experience is more important than your education program. Your education program, if you want, you can put it in 2 pages. I think it's likely going to expand over 2 pages. It's okay, but let's write more things regarding what you did, right? One-on-one meeting, stakeholders, right? And you can describe like work in a team of 20 engineers in the agile product management development process, create ABC product as example. right? Same thing as this. You need to expand more regarding hitting more keywords we're looking for. Because so all the product manager want to see if you can work on the type of product starting from day one. Okay, so now let me give you some free resources. Go to here. So when you write it, watch this video. Product manager resume tips with no experience, and with this specific video, we have many different like keywords and how you write it. The style of writing different examples. I believe in the middle of the video, I gave you examples like this, how you should write it. Yeah, check it out. This one is very critical. Just go to my website. Oh, sorry, my YouTube channel. So over there's a playlist of product management resume tips. So you can go there and you can find lots of free resources. Okay, so those are the best. You should go and check it out.
Thank you. Thank you.
No problem. Great, cool. So now we finished people attending masterclass. Let me see who else is here. Why we have two? Sasank? We have two.
Hi Nancy, there are two different Sarthak. One is Rukudi, Aro. Mine is the last one, and there is just one, which is another one.
Yours the last
Sarthak.
one. Okay, let me
Yeah.
go to yours first. Can you quickly introduce yourself?
Yeah, happy to do that. Hi everyone, my name
Can
is
you turn on
Sarthak.
your camera if possible?
Yeah, works. Can you see me?
Yes, I can.
Yeah.
How
Hi
are you?
everyone, my name is Sarthak. I'm currently working as a product management intern with LG Energy Solutions. I did my bachelor's in mechanical and worked as an operations manager for 3 years at Caterpillar. I wanted to pivot to more of a product management role and wanted to learn about business skills. So came to Duke to do my master's in engineering management. Did that, just graduated yesterday, and currently I'm working with LG Energy Solutions as a PM intern. Here I'm mainly working on quantitative financial modeling, developing techno-economical modeling, working with software engineers for the development of defining and grooming session for our software products, and also working on some forecasting of our future pipelines of our projects. So this is a little bit about myself.
Cool. Congrats graduating
Thank you.
yesterday. You must hurry up. Land
Yeah.
your next job and cool. Let me see. And this is a good major, engineering management. Oh, 4.4 CPA. That's great. Let me see. It's one page resume. Let me take a look. You need to write more. You can do 2 pages if you want to, but you need to write more about what we did. You develop this is fine. You develop some methodology, that's fine. This is fine, but you should talk more regarding you did backlog feature development, no problem. For example, you can write more. Go to market strategy and say go develop pricing strategy. Sounds weird. It's GTM. In product management space, we call it GTM. Okay, you should write more regarding GTM, write more regarding voice of customer interviews, write more regarding creating product requirements. So you should write more, everything here. So those are like achievement, that's no problem, but you need to write more regarding what you did there. Okay, so now operations manager. Oh, KPI. For example, this one can be repackaged into PM. So all of this, you have the KPI, something like that, you should repack into PM. For example, manage product schedule, timeline schedule for all of this, right? You can describe working a cross-functional team of 20 people, 5 engineers, all of those, to like ensure on-time delivery of 3 product lines, right? Because cross-functional team leadership is what we're looking for as a PM. define, monitor, development KPI, driving product. This is fine, but I want you to write it better. And monitor development departmental KPI. Product success metrics, not departmental KPI. You're using some weird keywords that's not PM friendly. Okay, but you have done this, all the KPIs, so you should write it in a product metrics style. Okay, same thing in the rest. You like map it into more PM style. But you have done something, for example, Z2, you have done something related to PM. If you have done it, you're better tap into your existing experience instead of wasting the opportunities by writing it in a different way. Okay, so now let me see your project. Same thing. If you've done half-year project and you should write more. For example, conduct voice customer interview. So this is all like summary of what you did. You should have more bullet point regarding what you did. Conduct voice customer interview with 20 different people to develop ABC different kind of project, right? So right now we don't even know what kind of product you worked on. Is a e-commerce? Is a education
it's a game.
tech? Same
It's
thing.
like it's a game.
You should make it clear. It should make
Okay.
clear to other people, create a product roadmap for A, B, C, D, different kind of gaming product to achieve the different outcome. So you make it more clear to other people. Same as this, less is more. Okay, so I'd rather you do you should do 2 pages resume so you can expand each of those. Or if some of those is like not very relevant, you can delete some of these because two lines about something really does not matter much. We need to hear more regarding what you did. Okay, that's the main thing. Cool. All right. So
And just had one question. I'm hearing that sometimes you have to just put like one-liner for bullet points because it should be concise and shouldn't feel like you're dragging too much. So is it that good, or should I like give too much details in the bullet point itself?
No, you can do between 1 or 2 lines. Okay, it's fine. But everything put here must matching what they're looking for. So it's fine, the 2 lines, but you're missing. You should add more bullet point regarding what you did.
Got it. And
It's not
2
writing
pages is
longer.
not a problem? And 2
No.
pages is not a problem? Got it.
No, you have lots of, let's say if you didn't do those projects, you can write those, make it longer, and they can fit in 1 page, right? Now you have too many projects, you probably need to go beyond the 1 page, or unless you delete some of those projects.
Got it. Yeah. Thank you so much.
No problem. So let me bring the next. Sasank, are you here? So we have 2.
Yes,
Okay,
I guess
so
it's-
can you quickly introduce yourself?
Yeah, hello Nancy. Hi everyone. My name is Sarthak Jaiswal. I'm a product enthusiast. I love solving problems and finding the right solution for customers. So I've just started my product journey. I was working as an associate product manager at a company called Connect. It is a B2B SaaS platform. I've been unemployed for the last 3 months. I've been interviewing for a lot of companies. The one major, choke point I'll say I'm facing a lot is in my previous company, I didn't have much experience in user research and tracking success metrics, and it was a B2B space. Now, when I'm switching to B2C company, most of them want me to, tell me more about what you have done as a user research for the products you have built in your previous company and what success metrics you track to see if the solution you implemented was good or not. And I don't really have an answer for that because that wasn't something which my previous company did. So, I have some fictional stories I frame up with my interviews because I can't just tell them, I don't have nothing to, I did nothing like that. So I have some projects, I do tell them, but sometimes they just dig in more about that. And I don't have any backing to tell them the entire story. So I guess that's it about myself. Told you the pain point I have. I just hope that you help me, refine my resume and, at least get my story across them clearly.
Yeah, let me take a look. In that situation, what you described, I feel like you don't know the end-to-end product management methodology. So that's why when I ask about what's a success metric, you should be able to answer it. So let me read what's going on. Don't write almost 2 years. Just say 2 years. Almost 2 years. And I didn't, no, almost.
Sorry.
Okay, not
I'll
confident. It's not confident. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Two different bullet point. GTM, two different bullet point. This is also different bullet point. Customer, this is conduct with customer interviews. This is create a product requirement. All right, and user stories. And then this is developing MVP. All this can break into 3 bullet points. So that's the main thing. This is our impact. You should, the keywords you bold is kind of it's kind of distracting. All right, Power Build, or okay, basically you're talking metrics using KPI. I wouldn't bold like this. All of this is very confusing. If you bold, make sure you bold something that's highlight all the PM keywords. Sometimes you highlight some PM keywords for the metrics, great. Sometimes you don't highlight the PM keywords. Okay, when you bold something, you mix match everything. It's very hard to read. Okay. So if you create a parametrics and unbold everything else, hey, I have created parametrics for different things. Yeah, ignore unbold everything that's not PM. Okay, and then break down everything here. And so now if you go to interview, you don't know what is the product success metrics, you better learn how to define product success metrics. Okay, you can go to my YouTube channel and learn how to do it. And anyone who's interested in PM Accelerator, go to my website, documents.com, and learn more regarding our coaching program, right? So that's the main problem what you had is just feel like, okay, so your resume is showing that you kind of know PM, but you don't fully know PM. That's why you bold something random. If you want to bold something, only bold correct things, or you don't bold anything. So it's not going to conflict with your knowledge. Okay.
Got it.
Yeah, and same thing. This is and it's a gaming product. You should make it clear it's a gaming product. What's this? This is finance product, I assume.
Yeah, it's a fintech company. It sells financial educational courses to students.
Okay, then describe analytics of fintech product or financial educational product as example. So it will be more clear. Okay, cool. Right, let me go. Soumya, are you here?
Yes, I'm here, Nancy.
Okay, can you quickly introduce yourself?
Sure. So, hey guys, I'm Soumya and I come from India. I have done my undergrad in computer science. I've worked as a product owner at Accenture where I help companies integrate B2B products. And currently, I'm in my master's program. I'm pursuing engineering management at Case Western Reserve. And yeah, that's about me.
Let me see. And I assume you want to become PM, right? Let's see. Can you guys do not bold wrong keywords? It's very distracting. When you bold it, I must read those. When I read it, it's not PM. I will have to searching how it's rated PM. What's going on? Is this is blocking me looking at other content? It's like you bold the wrong thing, it never work. Okay. So looks like you're doing automation and then reducing costs, and you did something else, making money, and then use Jira. And no, this is not a PM resume at all. Well, at least how you bold it. How you build it is like I made money for my client. I made money again. I made money again. I use Jira. I made money again. That's what you're showing me. Okay, you didn't talk about I interviewed customers to understand the voice of customers, pain and to conduct voice of customer interviews, understand the pain point, create engineering facing requirement. Nothing exists on your resume. All you see is I made money, I made money, I made money, and it's automation and it's Jira, I made money, everything. No, it's not PM at all. Same thing. I want to see more regarding what you do as a PM. So you did some KPI work, but did you write requirement? Did you create a roadmap? And nothing is there. And all you're saying that I made money again. Same style. I think because we're consultant, clearly consultant. Come on, clearly consultant always like saying I made money for other people and that's it. Okay, so clearly consultant. So your entire resume writing a consultant, you need complete rewrite. Your mindset is wrong. Your mindset is I'm a consultant, make lots of money, people should hire me. Consultant don't get hired. Do you know that McKinsey lay off 30% of the employees? Most of them do not get a job as a PM at all. They become operations manager. No. Even people working for McKinsey cannot become PM with the right amount of like training capabilities and learning, rewrite everything. Okay. Your mindset is say I'm a consultant. Okay. The whole resume, as I said, this can be changed. All of this can be changed as well. And this is good. You conduct voice of customer interview. Only this one is good, right? And then next part, you conduct, voice of customer interview. Understand the point of view so that I understand the pain point and create user stories, right? And that part is missing. And then you say, through analytics. See, you did something and you went back to your consultant style of writing methodology. Okay, so I want you to go here. Come here. And this video, just go to my YouTube channel's playlist, which is Product Management resume. Okay, Product Manager resume, and watch those videos. It's going to give you specific examples how to write it better.
Okay. Thank you,
Okay.
Nancy.
No problem. Cool. All right. Looks like I reviewed all the resumes and other people who didn't show up live. We'll wait for them to up live next time. Cool. Let me see who else is there on YouTube and LinkedIn. They have any questions? Oh, people ask me how to get the free resume review. Here. Email slideshow. Okay, come here with information you need to get a free resume review. Email info@pmaccelerator.io. If you already registered masterclass, I'm gonna put it in the link right now, and you should directly tell my team which day you registered. So let me put it on LinkedIn and YouTube so you can check it out there as well. Okay, cool. So people ask what's masterclass. Okay, so masterclass is where I teach you how to create product portfolio. This is the most important thing for people to land an interview and pass job interview and also land a job offer, because it's extremely difficult to differentiate yourself from anyone else out there. And especially people, for example, some of guys just did resume review came from consulting background or engineering background. How would you show other people you already had related PM experience? The best way to create product portfolio. Okay, so must do that. So go to my masterclass. We teach you how to create product portfolio with 5 different tools, 2 different live product portfolio examples. Okay, we'll also talk more regarding AI, how to land an AI related PM job as well. If you're interested in all our coaching program, you can stay towards the later end of the masterclass, learn more. The first hour is free for everyone to learn and grow together. Okay, so go to this website and learn more, and also email my team info@pmaccelerator.io to get your free resume review scheduled on my Zoom. Okay, so now let me go here. Let me see. Anyone put your questions in the chat. Nitesh, you said 2020. What does this mean? You didn't put a sentence. 2020. What does 2020 mean? Cool. Let me see any questions. Let me go to backend. I don't know why the backend doesn't send questions anymore. My comment doesn't send comment anymore. Let me go to the front end so that I can see the comment. Yeah, put questions in the chat if any questions for me. Let me see LinkedIn and YouTube. SS metrics, success metrics. Yeah, KPI is related to product success metrics. Yes, you should write more regarding product success metrics and KPI. Okay, that's the question from Gabriel. Cool. Okay. Can you share the email? Yes, email to do free resume review. Let me share with you right now. Take a screenshot. info@pmaccelerator.io, and also you should put the date of you attending masterclass in the email title so that you will get prioritized. Okay. And yeah, take a screenshot right now. What is masterclass? Here, go to my website, drnancy.com/masterclass. If you have attended, let my team know, where we teach you how to create killer product manager portfolio in 2 weeks that will land your PM job offer. Even if you're laid off, we have no PM experience. Okay, so right here. All right. Let me see the questions here. Yes, so it looks like I answered all the questions. And if so, welcome everybody, and hope you have the best luck with the upcoming interviews. And make sure to like this video and share this video with any aspiring product manager or existing product manager who recently laid off or who want to land the next job fast. Okay. All right, cool. All right, looking forward to seeing you in my next live. If you already registered for our masterclass, and I'm gonna see you live coming up soon. So get ready. Make sure to take lots of notes. Let's create a product portfolio together. Awesome. Okay. Talk to you soon. See you guys. All right. Thank you, Bola. All right. Talk soon. Bye.